Welcome back to school. I get up. I wash my face. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I brush my teeth. I go to school. Keep your classes clean. Don't run and jump in the class. Go to school daily. Pray to Allah every day. Listen to the teacher carefully. Take care of your things. Don't pluck the flowers and leaves. Don't spit there and here. Welcome your guest with a smile. Say excuse me before interrupting a conversation. Knock before you enter a room. Help the needy. Say sorry if you have hurt someone by mistake. Listen carefully. Take turns. Always greet your elders. I do my homework. I have dinner. I put on my pajama. I go to bed. Speaking quite. Please subscribe, it will motivate me. A big thanks to you all.